Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a look at Natural Reader and specify to see which one is the best. So I have here a list with different features for both of them. Now, if we take a look at voice quality for Natural Reader, good voice option, some natural sounding voices in premium plans. Then we have Specify, known for very natural expressive voices, many AI-driven voices in premium plans. If we take a look at pricing, Natural Reader comes with a free version available, and the premium plan starts around $70 per year or one-time purchase. And Specify offers a monthly plan of $8 or $100 per year. Now, if we take a look here, choose Natural Reader if you want a versatile TTS tool with OCR support for reading PDFs and images, more option for offline use and MP3 exporting, and a straightforward interface suitable for various professional or educational needs. Choose Specify if you want very natural, expressive AI voices that sounds more human, a sleek, modern interface with features tailored for students and learners, and seamless integration with reading and note-taking workflows. So, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.